Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBPUSD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market. Sometimes market also surprise us by showing unexpected volatility, but today is a normal day. We can see that right after the market opening, Euro USD is showing signs of little correction or retracement, and DXY is trying to survive. Okay, so this is the overall market sentiment right now. During the weekend, the overall market sentiment has not changed. We can still see dollar index hits 13-month low. Dollar index fell toward 100.5 on Monday, hitting its weakest levels since July 2023 as Fed Chairman Jerome Powell cemented hopes of an interest rate cut in September. So the market sentiment is still the same. So which means the pressure on DXY or dollar index is still there. Okay, as we all know, DXY is standing at the very crucial support of 100.60, but after all, it's only a support. Market sentiment is above all. Though DXY is trying its best to survive, but chances of market breaking the support and going down is pretty high here. During the day, if DXY tries to recover, also do not consider it as a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal we need a big news right now, big fundamental factor. Without any fundamental factor, there is no uh, possibility of a trend reversal. So whatever happens here, okay, it will be just a normal temporary recovery. Okay, so plan your trades accordingly. After temporary recovery, when DXY will be coming down again, there's a high chance that it will break this particular low and move towards the next support of 99.50, 99.60. My dear friends, we have already discussed all this stuff in our previous video that I uploaded on Saturday. If you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video of Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so Euro dollar is right now showing signs of correction. So if you are having a buy on buy on Euro USD, hold your buy, because further upside is possible. We can clearly see the dominance of sellers on the chart of DXY. If DXY forms another red candle, we will see immediate upside on Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you have any ongoing buy on Euro USD, GBP USD, hold your buy position. But if you're stuck on a sale right now, then please try to exit at retracement. I know that this retracement is not enough for you, but at least you will get an exit. At least you will be able to save some money here. So if you get Euro USD around this area, around 1.1164, or if you get Euro USD around 1.1140, then please try to exit, because we have supports around this area. Once market will hit these levels, there is a chance of market going up again. If that happens, okay, you will be losing your whole capital. Okay, so those who are on sell right now, please try to exit, because the market sentiment is still the same. The pressure is still there on dollar. Okay, so things are not very positive. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, you need to buy at retracement, or you will get the best price at retracement. As we have already discussed on Saturday, the two best levels on the chart of Euro USD are right now 1.1164 and 1.1140. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy. We have already discussed why. Okay, we have used FIBO here. We have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus we have support around this area. In comparison, okay, 1.1140 is a better level, because 1.1140 is a FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and along with that we can see we have the dynamic support around this area. So if market shows a bigger red candle, then this level will be serving as the support for the market. If market takes support, we can go for a buy position if you are looking for fresh position. And if market doesn't come for retracement, sometimes the market is very adamant, market doesn't come for retracement. In that case, you can look for buy at breakout above 1.1140. 1200. But keep in mind, buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buying at breakout, because sometimes breakout also fail when there is not much volume in the market, and right now there is not much volume. If we look at the economic calendar also during the US session, okay, obviously US session will bring some volatility, but we do not have a major event today. Okay. And my dear friends, as I have already announced that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. It's 3 days continuous consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions, means total 7 days workshop with 1 month support. Okay, and this workshop has been designed for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. These are the dates. You can see here dates a little far right now, but you can join now also. Till the workshop, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, live sessions on WhatsApp, and you'll also get access to our Telegram community. Okay, and these are the topics that we will be dealing in the first 3 days classes. I have carefully chosen these topics. You will not find other any place else, because we won't be talking about fair value gaps, smart money concept. No, we will be dealing the core concept of the market. How does the market function? How to survive in the market? How to make money? And most importantly, about the discipline. This time I have made some changes. You can see after the workshop, you will be getting lot size calculator sheets. If you are interested in prop firms, I'll be giving you a lot size calculator for prop firms also. Okay. Trade plans, and these are the topics for the weekly sessions. So 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions, so total 7 classes. All the classes will be conducted over Google Meet, and I record everything so that those who are unable to attend, they can also watch the recording. And if you're looking for personal sessions, because trading is a journey, trading takes time, then you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support. In semi-annual, you will get 2 weekly, not 2 weeks, sorry, 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. And in lifetime, you will get 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubt, ask questions for learning. And you will also get WhatsApp support from my side. Okay. And these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the groups. Okay. Now let's look at GBPUSD. So we have a similar story on GBPUSD as well, as we have already discussed on Saturday also. Okay. Market is very bullish, so taking a sell or staying on a sell is extremely risky right now. There's a high chance of losing our whole capital. So just like Euro USD, if you have any ongoing buy on GBP USD, then continue with the buy position, because here also further upside is possible. As long as selling pressure remains on DXY, okay, you can be on the buy. No need to worry. Okay, and Euro USD, GBP USD, both are no longer day traders chart. These are swing traders chart right now, where you buy at retracement and you just sit on it. And we can see that on Euro USD, okay, there is a little sign of retracement, but GBP USD is very adamant, okay, not coming down properly. So if market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, then we can look for support around 1.3100, 1.3090. and also 1.3000. Okay, if market shows a big drop, something crazy happens. Okay, otherwise, okay, retracement levels are also far away. Okay, but if GBP USD, okay, breaks 1.3230, then we can look for a buy above it. Okay, it's a breakout trade. It will be a riskier one. As we all know, buying at retracement is safer, but if retracement levels are far away, then chances of market coming for retracement is very less. If you're looking for a fresh position in the market, new position in the market, and if you're planning to buy at retracement, then Euro USD is a better option right now. So let's wait and watch. Let's see how does the market perform. Okay, there's not much volume in the market right now. Okay, things are a little slow. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.